Knock it off. 1, 2, 3. Careful, careful. What the fuck is that fucking moron doing? There's cops behind us. There's cops.
Cool. This should be fun. Yeah, to keep it short and simple, the radiator exploded. Now, what I think happened, because so this accessory belt, not the main drive belt, but the accessory belt came off, and it might have blocked the fan from rotating and maybe pulling air through it, and maybe that's why it failed at the plastic part. I'm not sure, but I did notice before it failed, I suddenly lost power steering, and I kind of just kept on driving, and that's kind of my fault, and then the rest is a parts failure, as you can see. But anyways, I didn't really plan on filming this one. I always hate filming stuff whenever my car breaks, and it's always the 7 Series. But basically, I'm just going to put on the stupid little GoPro headgear and try to film as much as I can, because to be honest, I've already filmed this video before, and if you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link in the description or do one of those little eye boxes up in the top. If you haven't watched that one, you can watch the last time that I did this job in the 7 Series. I did a whole coolant flush and had a big issue with coolant. Shocker, old BMW has coolant problems. But yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna put on this little headgear thing and get it, and then afterwards I have some racing footage for you guys, so stay tuned. On a side note, I also ran to Harbor Freight and bought new jack stands, since, well, my jack stands are occupied by the E30, which is not painted, but I'm painting it this weekend, so that's coming up. Not sure if that tensioner pulley right there, yeah, is that the tensioner pulley? Yeah, I don't think that's supposed to be that close to the alternator, like it's touching the plastic. So something else has failed. I'm gonna assume the tensioner. I'm already gonna jump ahead because I'm getting frustrated. Something else is messed up. I just have the feeling. So another update here in a minute. Let you know what it is. Okay, so I found the problem. So basically what I think happened is this tensioner pulley is extremely loose, so that probably caused the belt to fly off, which is why there's not a belt on here right now, or a secondary accessory belt. There's still one right here. There's 2 belts on this car. So I think what happened is that part failed, the belt fell off, and I happen to have a water-cooled alternator. It's kind of dark, but maybe that caused a block in the system, because there is a, you know, outfeed from the actual water-cooled alternator. So maybe there wasn't fluid circulating through it, so no coolant circulation. A belt caught in the fan, didn't circulate fluid through the radiator, didn't drag air through the radiator, and maybe that's why it exploded. Just a shot in the dark, but I can go ahead and assume that that is what happened. So only thing left to do is just to buy more parts and fix it. Just fix it again, but I'm fairly certain that's what happened. If you have a BMW with the water-cooled alternator. This is a possibility. Just make sure your tensioner doesn't fail on you. I mean, I didn't really change this one when I should have. Whenever I did the whole overhaul, I just reused the same tensioner, so probably should have replaced that. Now I have to. Alright guys, I have another update. Let me go ahead and swing around here. Got the old radiator out. It was actually relatively painless, seeing that I've done it like 1,000 times. I found the failure point. It seems to be the pulley. Now I got the little Torx bit here, and I tightened it up by hand, and it does seem like it just came loose. Hopefully it hasn't failed. I'm not sure if it failed, but what I'm going to do is get a breaker bar and actually really tighten it down, maybe actually unthread the whole bolt and then put it back in with some Loctite on it. So maybe that won't happen again. It doesn't seem like it's contacting the alternator, but I mean, it's close. It's really close right there. But yeah, old radiator. Oh, nice. Drop that, not a bad spot. Yeah, old radiator is out. I just have to relocate the hoses, and then I have the new radiator in this box right here. So I'm gonna get to installing this and tightening that bolt down. I don't even have to explain. Most of you will know what just happened. Cool. The main issue is going to be trying to fit a drill right here. And that's going to be fun. Oh man, this is not going to work. I need a shorter drill. Yeah, this isn't going to work. Alright, I'm just gonna post on Snapchat and see if anybody has a drill locally that I can borrow that's shorter than 10 inches, because, well, pretty much all the stores are closed right now, so kind of dead in the water. I do post on Snapchat frequently, like car-related topics. If you guys want to follow me on that, I will post it down below, or put like a little scroller across the screen somehow, somewhere. I don't know. I might do that. If you guys want to follow me, feel free to follow me. I guess I can't do anything else. I mean, I'm kind of stuck. So I'll give another update whenever I borrow a drill or just go buy a drill. I might buy a pneumatic drill. I have that air compressor sitting right there that I just bought. I'll show you guys that next video whenever I do the paint on this car. But yeah, so do an update soon.
You got a bolt stock or something?
Huh?
You got a bolt stock or something?
Yeah, it's snapped off in here.
What? You got the bolt removal kit?
Yeah, I got it.
Pick up the camera off the floor.
There it is. Hold it. Let's give it a first start up. See how everything goes. Alright, well it seems to be running alright. I want to go ahead and start the coolant bleed procedure. gonna go ahead and turn the heat all the way up, air conditioner off, put it at full blast, and then I'm gonna go mess with the little bleed screw. Also, the car is at an angle, so should be good. Let's go check it out, make sure nothing's leaking. Seems to be good. That's old. What is this? Damn it. Pushing fuel again. That is definitely gas. Ooh, looking bug. Alright, another update. It's now a different day. Basically the car overheated. So first thing I did is change the thermostat. Had the typical condition where upper hose was really hot and pressurized, and the lower hose, which I have tucked right here, well, that was pretty cold. So either there's a blockage in the radiator, which is brand new, so there shouldn't be, but I went ahead and changed out the thermostat. Old thermostat is right here. So I guess I'll post an update when I start the car again. Oh man, I hope that is not the head gasket causing that to bubble. Alright, just drove the car around for 10 minutes. Seems to be holding temp. So I'm going to pop the hood and double check to see if the upper hose is warmish and then the lower hose is still maybe ambient temperature. Ambient temperature would be good because it is kind of cold outside. I'm going to leave the car running and check it out. Okay, that one's hot. Oh dude, we're good. That one down there is warm too. Okay, so in summary, water pump didn't have fluid going through it, and the thermostat did, I guess, fail. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this bleed open and see if any fluid comes out. I think we're good. Alright guys, well, this kind of turned into another E38 video, but I got that running, as you can see. Might be time to get rid of that car. Not gonna lie, I love that car, but man, I am tired of fixing it. It's running good now, but I guess we'll see how it goes. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and post that racing footage right now. Hope you guys enjoyed. I am actually about to start taping up the windows and everything and getting this ready for paint prep. Like I said, I was in the last video, but now I am just starting on it because the daily driver went down, so that kind of took precedence. Also finals week in school kind of got in the way, but anyways, gonna start working on this weekend, and I'll post that as soon as I can.